Hi, my name is Tabitha Miller. I currently teach at Riverside Christian Academy, and we are the Lions. Roar, go Lions. We focus on STREAM, which is our science, technology, relationship, reading, writing, engineering, arts, and math. We use the national standards with biblical integration curriculum. We are also project-based and application-based learning. And our philosophy is to teach a God centered view by using the biblical academics and our core values to seek spiritual and academic growth. At RCA, we use College Board assessments, the PSAT, NMSQT, and pre-ACT. We also offer FTCC courses through High School Connections program. Our students earn credits for both high school and college. And as per the NC Department of Public Instruction, students may complete the NC high school graduation requirements through the Future Ready Core track or the Future Ready Occupational track. RCA is located in Fayetteville, North Carolina, which is Cumberland County. It is considered middle as far as suburban or rural because we're out of city limits, and it's a lot of country, but it's only 2 miles down the road to get to anywhere in town. There are many points of interest, such as the Dogwood Festival, International Folk Festival. We have an airborne museum, Dickens holiday traditions, holiday fair, botanical gardens, Fascinate You Museum, and many more assets that are great ways to intim- intim- implement, in our lessons. As far as the district information, I do teach at a private Christian school. There are about 38 private schools in Cumberland County, which includes 19 high schools, 27 elementary schools, and 28 preschools. And what happens mostly with the private schools is they integrate pre-K through 12th grade. There are about 6,000 students in private school, according to the Private School Review. And as far as student demographics, according to Riverside Christian Academy in Fayetteville, the niche RCA is ranked number 2 out of 273 of the most diverse private high schools in North Carolina and number 1 in Cumberland County. My data is from nces.ed.gov, which is the National Center of Education Statistics. And here you can see the population as far as our school and some of our demographics. At Riverside Christian Academy, we have close to 36 teachers. You are required to have a Christ-centered walk. You do need a North Carolina certification, and we are also ACSI certified. And our student-teacher ratio happens to be a 12-to-1. As far as our school district data, the scores are from our NWEA, which is our MAP assessment. And this type of assessment uses both norm evaluation because it compares to other students in the district, as well as criterion evaluation because the assessments show the student's personal level and comparing it to previous individual scores. We have a RIT RASH unit scale, which measures the achievement, how accurate, the equal interval, growth over time. So these right here are what we receive after testing. As you can see at the RCA Online or rcanc.us, our ACI accreditations requirements we've had to compile this evidence from our classroom through processes we're taking, and we're constantly being evaluated. But you can also see these goals right here, 1 through 10. Here we have goals for our academic growth, 1 through 8, and you can see it's to develop a work ethic mandated by God. We're always God-centered, but we do have these goals, and they are listed in our handbook. What I have learned, or some takeaways from this chapter, is that it's important to share information with the families of the students and how they're being assessed. It's important to be able to communicate that to them, let them know the weight of the test, and informing them of the criteria so they can better prepare their child. We use GradeLink at RCA, and for our scaling of assessments, I use for assessments and projects about a 50%, and then of course the others as far as classwork and homework and participation. And here are my resources throughout this presentation that I have used in being able to conduct some of this data. Thank you.